The sport belt is an additional accessory for your PHLster Enigma or Enigma Express. And since the sport belt has different back panel sizes, a lot of folks wonder what size will be the most comfortable for their concealed carry needs. The sizing can be somewhat confusing, so in this video we're going to break it down so that you can figure out exactly what size sport belt you need. The sport belt is sized by measuring around your back. It consists of a 3-inch tall elastic panel, which is attached to a narrower 1.5-inch nylon webbing. The wider back panel goes around your back, and the nylon webbing attaches to your Enigma in the front. The nylon webbing can be trimmed to fit, but the back panel can't. And since the back panel comes in multiple sizes, it's really important to choose the correct size. You want the sport belt's back panel to wrap around your back, with the ends resting around 9 and 3 o'clock on your body. You don't want the elastic panels to go all the way around to the front because only the narrower webbing part of the sport belt can actually pass through the Enigma buckles. So if your sport belt is too long, you'll run out of adjustment and you won't be able to get your Enigma tight enough. The belt tails are adjustable if your waist is not the maximum size of the belt, so you'll want to choose based on the back panel size, not the total belt length. A common question we get is, can I just use my waist belt or pant size? We don't recommend using your waist or pant size to order your sport belt. Clothing sizes vary between brands and are often inaccurate, and just because you wear a 33-inch pant doesn't necessarily mean that your true waist measurement is actually 33 inches. Additionally, many users do not wear the Enigma at the same level as their pants or at their natural waist. The other reason we don't recommend using waist size is because it's not always a good representation of where the sport belt will actually lie on your body. So the best way to make sure you get the right sport belt is to measure around your back. Next, we'll talk about exactly how to measure. To measure for your sport belt, use a soft measuring tape or a piece of string. Measure around your back from side to side from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock on your body. If you don't have a measuring tape, you can use a piece of string. Put the string around your back and mark the distance. Then lay your string flat and measure it with a ruler or tape measure. Measure at the level you plan to wear your Enigma, keeping in mind that the Enigma is independent of your clothing, so you can place it on the best spot of your body regardless of where your pants end up. If you're not sure yet where you'll want to carry it, measure the smallest part of your waist and use that number. You can use a smaller sport belt with a larger waist, but not the other way around. So measuring your waist at its smallest part will ensure that you can wear your Enigma at any height. If you're close to the size cutoff, we recommend sizing down. Only the 1.5-inch nylon webbing portion of the sport belt will pass through the Enigma buckles, so if your back panel is too long, you'll run out of space to adjust and you won't be able to get your Enigma tight enough. Keep in mind that the back panel is elastic and elastics tend to relax and lengthen over time, so you'll want to make sure to factor that in so your sport belt doesn't end up too long later down the line. Some users want to intentionally upsize their sport belt so it will wrap further around their hips in the front, which is a little bit risky and leads to a lot of returns. However, if you are tempted to size up, you can try reverse measurement to guess if it will actually work for you. To reverse measure, you'll want to grab your measuring tape and mark out the closest back panel size, then put it around your back and see where those marks end up on your body, noting how much space you have left over in the front. The only place you'll be able to adjust your Enigma is the nylon webbing portion between the back panel and the Enigma faceplate. Since the faceplate itself takes up 10 inches for the Express and 12 inches for the Standard, you'll want to allow a few extra inches for the material to stretch and relax over time. When you reverse measure, make sure you have at least enough room for the Enigma faceplate, plus some extra for adjustment, plus some extra for stretch. Reverse measurement is not an exact science, and there's no formula for how much space you'll need for stretching and adjustment. It really depends on your body type and how you wear your Enigma. That's why we recommend following the regular sizing instructions and measuring from 9 to 3 around your back. So to sum things up, the best way to get the correct sport belt size is to measure around your back and size down to the closest back panel size.